Welcome guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are going to be talking about ficus plants. There is a lot of varieties of ficus having different names, different sizes, different shapes. Ficus is a very common house plant grown indoors and outdoors in many homes. If grown on ground, it can grow into a big tree. If placed in a direct sunlight, the leaves of the plant tend to burn. For some ficus, they can tolerate sunlight. So the sunlight depends upon the variety of ficus that you have in your garden. Place them in partial shade. And if the leaves start burning, then then place them in shade. That means that this plant cannot tolerate sunlight, indirect sunlight even. So overwatering can also kill this plant, and underwatering can also. Both overwatering and underwatering. So whenever you go to water the plant, first check the soil. If it is dry, then water, and if it is not dry, then don't water it. It doesn't need watering. Provide it with well drained soil, so the excess water can easily drain out, and you have to make sure one thing, that there is a drainage hole for the excess water to pass out, to drain out. So one thing is very important, drainage hole is very important, because a lot of plants die due to not having a drainage hole, and the excess water holds up in the soil, and the plant ends up dying. So as I was speaking about the soil, so well drained soil is very important. And if you can make any mixture of well drained soil, like the mixture of gardening soil, cow dung and sand, you can make a mixture of this or any other mixture, but the soil has to be well drained. This plant can easily be grown from cuttings, especially in the raining season which is coming, and in this way you can have a lot of pots ready of ficus. To make ficus bushy, pinching is very important and effective. If you want a bushy ficus plant, then pinching is very important. Sometimes this plant gets pest attack, so you can spray it with neem oil spray or any pest spray, any anti insecticide spray from your local nursery, local market. Give liquid fertilizer with 15 days gap for better growth and bushiness. You can grow them in indoors, outdoors as well. If you have grown in indoors, then make sure to place it near a window where it gets a little bit of sunlight and the watering is same, and you should be good to go. I hope you guys got to learn something from this video. If you want more videos like this, then make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in another video. Take care of yourself and your plants. Peace.